Hello children, how are you all? Welcome back to our math class children. Yes, we have discussed about what in our previous class. We have discussed about various topics children in our previous classes. Yes, now today's our topic is rounding off to the nearest 10 children. Okay, rounding off to the nearest 10 is our topic. Okay, yes, this is a very new topic for you children. Listen carefully. And rounding off, what is this rounding off? See, in your day-to-day life, you will be coming across various values children. Okay, for instance, if you are traveling in a bus, okay, you are going to your uncle's house, somebody is calling from your uncle's house and they are asking you where you are, okay, at what distance you are away from our house. Okay, they will be asking you. You will be telling an approximation. Okay, for example, so and so city. You are going from Hyderabad to Karimnagar. You will be telling a station, not exact place where you are. You are not mentioning that, but you will be mentioning any of the city name. Okay, you will be telling approximately we are near to that so and so city. Okay, wherever what place you are not mentioning, but you are telling the approximate place. So in the same way, for numbers also we are making approximations children. Okay, we will be making approximations. Okay, how we make approximation? For example, I am taking a number 12 I am taking. Okay, how to round off this number? How to round figure it? Okay, how to make round for rounding off numbers? Definitely the number is going to end with 0 children. It is going to have a 0 in its ones place. Okay, any numbers like 20, 30, 40, any number, but definitely it is going to have a 0 in its ones place children. That is nothing but rounding off or making round figure of that number. Okay, here I am taking a number 12. I want to round off this number to nearest 10. As we are only discussing about the rounding off to the nearest 10. Okay, to the tens only we are rounding off the number. So this 12 I want to round off, but the 12 is between. Here you can see a number line children. Okay, here you can see a number line. On this number line I have given few numbers from 10 to 20. I want to round off the number 12. So 12 is here. So to make an approximate value for 12, which number I need to choose? See, two tens are, it is between two tens. One of the value is 10 and another tens value is 20 children. Okay, another value is 20. To which number I need to round off? For this, first thing we need to take a reference value. Okay, we need to take a reference value, that is 15. As 15 is exactly in the middle for these both values. Okay, we are having 15 in between. Okay, now by seeing this 15, where the 12 is first we need to observe whether it is after 15 or before 15. So here we are having 15. So why only 15? Why not any other number children? See, once we shall count the numbers on the number line. Okay, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes children, 11 numbers are here on the number line. We shall divide the numbers. Okay, we shall divide the numbers into 2 equal halves children. Okay, from this side and from that side. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 this side. Okay, again I'm counting from that side children. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See, 5 this side and 5 that side. And the leftover number, which is exactly in the middle of the number line children. What is that number? Yes, 15. Okay, 15 is going to be our reference value. Not only 15, whatever the number you will be given, to that number, first you need to see the number line. You need to divide the numbers equally. And what is the number going to be exactly middle to both of the sides, or both after dividing, what is going to be the middle value? You should take it as a reference value children. So here our reference value is 15. Okay, 15, and the number to be rounded off is 12. As I have mentioned, the number to be rounded off is 12 children. So by seeing 15, you need to check where 12 is. Okay, once you check where 12 is, before 15 or after 15? Yes, it is before 15. Okay, if it is before 15, that 12 is to be rounded off to the nearest before 10. That means down to the reference value, children. Down 10 to the nearest down tens value, you need to round it off. So the nearest tens value is what, children? 10. So we are rounding off 12 to 10. The rounding off number for 12 is 10, children. Okay, as it is before the reference value, we are taking 10 as the rounding off number, nearest rounding of 10 for the value 12. For example, if I am taking value 18, okay, I am taking value 18. How I need to round off this number 18? Okay, so first let us check where 18 is on the number line. Yes, children, to the right side or to the left side of the reference value? This is our reference value. Where 18 is? It is to the right side of the reference value, children. Okay, so what is the nearest number? Can you observe? See, it is near to next 10 or before 1? Yes, it is near to the next 10 value, children. Okay, it is near to the next 10 value. So it is to be rounded off, and as it is after the reference value, so it is to be rounded off to the next 10, next nearest tens value. Okay, now 18 is to be rounded off as 20. Okay, the rounding off value of 18 is 20. Okay, one thing here, how to round off a value. The thing you need to keep in mind is values 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these 4 values. That means if you get any of these numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, any of these values, if you get in ones place, you need to round up that number to the down tens value, children. That means before tens value. Anyhow, on the number line you will be having two tens places, children. One is before one and the next one, okay, next tens value is going to be on the above the number line, children. So based upon the value, you need to round up the number. Okay, for 1, 2, 3 values, up down tens value you need to round off, and for including 5 and above values, that means 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So if these digits are in ones place of that number, you need to round off it to the next, that means up tens value. Okay, this is how you need to round up the numbers. Let us see few more examples. Okay, now I am taking a number 36. I want 36. Okay, let us have a number line. See, here I am taking a number line, children. 36. Okay, so the series should start from 30. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Okay, this is the number line, and I need to round off the number 36. First you just find out the reference value, children. Anyhow you will be having how many digits, how many numbers? Definitely you are going to have 11 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay, 11 numbers you are going to have. If you divide them into 2 equal halves, that means 5 and 5. And what is your reference value is going to be? Yes, 35. Okay, 35. It is exactly in the middle. When you divide the numbers on the number line into 2 equal halves, so you are going to have 35 as the reference value. That is exactly in the middle. By seeing this reference value, you need to round up this number. Once you check where 36 is, children, before 35, before the reference value or after the reference value? Yes, it is after the reference value, children. Okay, as I told you, if the number ends with 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, it is to be rounded off to the next tens value. Okay, it is to be rounded off to the next tens value. As 36 is after 35, it is to be rounded to 40. Okay, so the rounding of value for 36 is 40. Okay, for every question you can't draw the number line. The thing you need to keep in your mind is the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. For these values, you need to take before 10's value and including 5 and after values till 9. 5 to 9. For those values, you need to take the next 10's value, children. You need to round it off to the next 10's value. And for the numbers ending with these digits in ones place, for them you need to take including 4 and before numbers of 4. For those numbers as ones place, you need to round it off to the before 10's value. Okay, this is how rounding of numbers will be solved. Okay, children, we shall have few exercise problems also. Okay. Yes, here is our exercise 1.5, children, related to rounding off to the nearest 10. And I am not telling you the first bit because it is very easy. It is all about fill in the blanks. You try to fill the blanks by reading the question. Okay. Now here is our second bit, rounding off each number to the nearest 10. Okay. We need to round off the number to the nearest 10. Here is the number 48. Okay. 48. And here is the number line, children. Okay. Number line. As 48, it is 40. Series is 40, children. So I am starting with 40. 40 to next 10's value till next 10. For every number line, definitely you need to start with the before 10's and you need to end it with the next 10's value, children. So here I am started with 40 and the next 10's value is going to be 50. And overall on the number line I am having how many numbers, children? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 values I am having. Okay. Now I have to find the reference value. What is going to be the reference value if I divide 5 here, 5 numbers here and 5 numbers this side. From that side, if I count, there should be 5 numbers and from this side 5. And the exact middle value is going to be 45. Okay. As I have told you, 45 and 5 including 5 and numbers above 5, all the numbers are to be rounded off to the next 10's value, children. And numbers before 5 are to be rounded off to the before 10's value. Okay, now let us check where is 45 on this number line. Whether it is before or after the reference value. 48. Definitely 48 is going to be after. Okay, after the reference value. So I have told you, including this one and above values are to be rounded off to the next 10's value. Okay, next 10's value, that is 50. Okay, 48 is closer to 50. So we need to round off 48 to the nearest tens, that is 50, children. The rounding of value of 48 is what, children? Yes, 50. Okay, rounding of value of 48 is 50. Okay, next one more example we shall see, children. One more example is 32. Okay, 32. Now I am taking a number line again. So definitely okay. Now definitely on the number line we should write the two tens values. Start from, it is 32. So we need to start from 30, 31, 32. Okay, starting from 30, we end with 40, the next tens value. Okay, directly you can say the reference value, children. By following the previous problem, directly you can guess the reference value. That is going to be 35. Is the exact middle value. Okay, 35. Now you need to check where 32 is. It is before the reference value or after the reference value. To which tens value it is closer, you need to check. So 32 is before the reference value. It is here. Okay, as it is not after or as it is before, so we need to round off to the before tens value. Okay, we need to round off to 30. The rounding of value, the rounding of nearest to 10 is 30, children, for 32. Okay, the answer will be 30. Okay, yes. Next, one more problem. Yes, now I am taking one more problem, children. That it is 95. One more number is 95. Now in the same way again we have to draw the number line. As it is 95, we need to start writing the numbers from 90. Okay, 90. Okay, starting from 90 till 100 we need to write. Okay, now directly what is the reference value here? Exactly. Yes, 95 is going to be the reference value. It is the exact middle value, children. Now you need to check where it is. See the question 95 and the reference value is also 95. So to which nearest tens you need to round off. Okay, it is closer to next value and it is also closer to this value. Yes, I have told you, including the reference value and the values after that all are to be rounded off to the next tens value only, children. Okay, so now 95 is rounded off to the number 100. Okay, 95 is rounded off to the number 100 and the answer is 100, children. Okay, try to solve more and more problems. This is how rounding off the number to the nearest tens is to be solved. Okay, thanks for watching the video, children. Thank you.